Guys, welcome back to the new video. Today's topic, again today we are going to deal with application of trigonometry. Today we are going to deal with the problems of application of trigonometry. Guys, in the last lecture also I was teaching the problems of application of trigonometry to limit of some topics that were taught there, and today we are going to deal some complex problems regarding application of trigonometry. The problems are very less, but the concept involved in these problems is really important. First, I'll give you one or two basic problems, then we'll start doing two or three some huge problems which includes more amount of topic. This application of trigonometry is completely conceptual. The synopsis is completely conceptual, and here we are going to deal with the problems which involves more concept, whereas we can say that like the complete concept is involved in each and every question, guys. That is the reason why I bought less questions. These less questions include all the topics which I have taught in the synopsis, and if you have not learned the synopsis, please check the videos of this synopsis. This synopsis is very important for application of trigonometry, and the synopsis is based on completely trigonometric formulas and some angles of trigonometric tables. Okay guys, today we'll begin our lecture with the problems of trigonometry. Shall we start? Come on. Okay, the first problem is, guys, I'll read the question from my laptop and I'll write the important data as we have done in the previous lecture, so we can solve the question easily. It is not possible to write the complete question, it takes more amount of space, guys. That is the reason, not more than that. Just a minute, guys. Guys, just a second. Okay guys, here is the question. Guys, I am reading the question. Please listen the question very carefully, guys. I am reading the question. Come on. The question is, the tower stands vertically on the ground from a point on the ground which is 15 meters away from the ground, away from the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is found to be 60 degrees. Find the height of the tower. Guys, I am going to read the question one more time. A tower stands vertically on the ground. A tower stands vertically on the ground from a point on the ground which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. That means the point is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower, and the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 60 degrees. That means the angle of elevation when they are moving, when they are at the point of 15 meters away from the tower, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees, guys. Now we have to find the height of the tower. Shall we start doing? First, we'll write, we'll draw the diagram first. Consider this as the tower. Consider AB as the tower, and C is the point where the person is standing. The tower is at a distance of 15 meters from the point, and the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is, what is the angle given? 60 degrees, guys. The angle is given to be 60 degrees. That means we have to find height of the tower. First, I write the given data. Distance between the tower and the point is equals to 15 meters, guys. And shall we consider the angle of elevation as theta? Angle of elevation is equals to, sorry guys, angle of elevation is equals to theta, that is equals to 60 degrees, and we have to find height of the tower. Height of the tower should be found. We have to find the height of the tower that we have considered as h. Okay guys, Distance between the tower and the point is given to be 15 meters and angle of elevation is equals to 60 degrees. We have to find the height of the tower. So according to this angle, we consider this angle as theta. So we take theta. And what are given, guys? According to this question, this is, I hope this is the adjacent side, this is the hypotenuse side, and this is the opposite side. Guys, am I right? Because this is the right angle 90 degrees, this is the hypotenuse, this is the opposite, and this is the adjacent. So we have angle theta is equals to 60 degrees and BC adjacent is equals to 15 meters. BC adjacent is equal to 15 meters, and what is needed? Opposite. AB is needed, which is opposite, that is equals to height, opposite, and height h is equals to question mark. So we have the angle, we have opposites, we have opposite side, and we have adjacent side. So now guess the formula from the trigonometry which we use for opposite and adjacent when the angle is given. Guys, come on. I hope we'll go with tan theta, because I'm writing it here. Tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent, where we have tan theta is equals to 60 degrees and opposite side is equals to h, which is the height of the tower, and adjacent is equals to 15 meters. Tan 60 is equal to, when tan 0 is equal to 0, 1 by root 3, 1 and root 3. Tan 60 value is equals to root 3 and h is equals to 15, whereas the height of the tower is equals to 15 root 3 meters. Writing the units are really important, guys. Don't miss the writing of the units. The writing of units is really important. If you miss the writing of these units, they will cut your mark. That is the reason why I'm stressing on this point. You have to mention the units. Okay, guys, come on. Height of the tower is equals to 15 root 3 meters. 15 root 3 meters is the height of the tower, guys. 15 root 3 meters is the height of the tower. Guys, is it clear? Just this is a small and a basic question. From now we'll move to the questions which are a little bit tough. Come on, guys. Come on, copy the question. I'm giving you 1 or 2 minutes time. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. Guys, is the board visible perfectly? Just a minute. Let me check the board is visible in the way or not. Just a minute. Yeah, it's perfectly visible. Not at all a problem. It's perfectly visible, guys. Now, shall we move to the next question? Come on, guys. I'm giving you 1 minute time. Come on, fastly copy it. We'll move to the next question. Come on, guys. Guys, is it done? Or else pause the video and copy the question. I'm moving to the next question, guys. Guys, I'm erasing this. I'm moving to the next question. Is it done? Yeah. Okay, guys, moving to the second question. Okay, shall I read the question? The question is, an electrician has to repair an electric fault on the pole of height 5 meters. Guys, listen the question carefully. This question is a little big. An electrician has to repair an electric fault on a pole of height 5 meters. She needs to reach a point 1.3 meters below the top of the pole. She needs to reach the electrician needs to reach the point 1.3 meters, which is below the top of the pole. Top of the pole means height is 5 meters. That means 1.3 meters below the top. That means 5 minus 1.3 meters we do below the top of the pole to undertake the repair work. That means 5 minus 1.3 meters is the height at which the repair work should be done. What should be the length of the ladder that she should use? which while climbing at an angle of 60 degrees. So we have to find the length of the ladder that the electrician is using to climb the pole, and we also have to find the distance between the foot of the pole and the ladder. So, and the angle by which the ladder is inclined to the pole is given as 60 degrees. The angle by which the ladder is inclined to the pole is given as 60 degrees. So, once again I am reading the question, guys. An electrician has to repair an electric pole. An electrician has to repair an electric, consider this as the electric pole. The electrician has to repair an electric pole, which is a height of 5 meters. This is the height of 5 meters, and she needs to reach the point 1.3 meters to the top of the pole. That means 1.3 meters below top of the pole means somewhere here. That means we have 5 meters minus 1.3 meters should be done, and this is the point where the repair should be done. And consider this as a ladder which is inclined at an angle of 60 degrees. Okay guys, which is inclined at an angle of 60 degrees, and we have to find the distance between the pole and foot of the pole and foot of the ladder, and we also have to find the length of the ladder. Okay guys, first I will write the data and I will write the diagram. So I'll draw the diagram, then you will get more clarity. This is the pole, guys, of 5 meters. Guys, is it 5 meters? Yes. This is the pole of 5 meters. Now, there is a ladder which is at a distance of, consider A meters, which is at a distance of A meters, guys. This is not 9, this is A meters, and the repair work should be done 1.3 meters below 5 meters. Just a minute. We'll consider 1.3 meters below 5 meters somewhere here. Just a minute. Sorry guys, sorry. 1.3 meters below 5 meters means we'll consider this point as A, this point as B, this point as C, and the last point as B. That means this is the top of the pole, guys. This is the place where the repair work should be done. This is the place where the repair work should be done, guys. Okay, and this is the right angle. So we have to find, consider this as L, we have to find the length of the pole AB, BC, CD, and we have to find the length of the pole, guys, that is equals to AC, which is equals to L, and total height of the pole is given. So we have to find this height, guys. BC height should be found because the work should be done 1.3 meters. This is 1.3 meters. 1.3 meters below the pole. 1.3 meters below the pole means we do BC is equals to BD minus, okay, just a minute. First I'll write the given data, then we'll go for the problem. First I'll write the given data. Okay. Height of the pole is equals to 5 meters. Repair work should be done. Repair work at height is equals to 5 minus 1.3 meters. Okay, and we have to find distance between foot of pole and ladder, which is equals to, we have considered as small a, and we have to find the length of the ladder, which is considered as L. Height of the pole is given, which is equals to 5 meters. Repair work is done, repair work at height of 5 minus 1.3 meters. 5 minus 1 means 4, 4 minus 3 means 3.7. That means the height of the repair work is done at 3.7 meters, whereas this height is equals to 3.7 meters. Guys, is it visible? I'll write again here. This height is equals to 3.7 meters. This height is equal to 3.7 meters. So we have to find the length and the distance between the foot of pole and this ladder. Okay, now where is the angle taken? The angle is taken here. Angle is equals to, just a minute, angle is taken to be 60 degrees. That means theta is equals to 60 degrees. So we have this, we have opposite, and we have to find adjacent and hypotenuse. We have opposite and we have to find adjacent and hypotenuse. First we'll go with finding the adjacent. So I'll try to draw the triangle. Shall I draw here? Just a minute. Guys, you have to copy these points again. The board is not sufficient to write the complete problem. Again, I'll erase this. This is 60 degrees and this is 3.7 meters, and this is L, this is A. So we have this, guys. We have the value of theta, we have the value of theta, and we have the value of height of the pole. Height, we have height of the pole is equals to opposite, that is equals to 3.7 meters. We have the height of the pole which is equals to opposite, height is equal to 3.7 meters, and adjacent is A, that is adjacent, we have to find this, and hypotenuse is equals to L, we have to find that one also. We have to find the adjacent and hypotenuse. Adjacent means the distance between the foot of the pole and ladder, and L means the length of the ladder, guys. Length of the ladder, distance between the foot of the pole and length of the ladder, and 5 meters is the height of the total pole, and 3.7 meters is the height of the pole at which the repair work is done. So first I'll write here. First I'll go with adjacent. Opposite and adjacent I'm having. So what should I find? Opposite and adjacent. And angle theta is 60 degrees. Opposite and adjacent means we can go with tan. That means tan 60 degrees is equals to opposite 3.7 by adjacent. Adjacent is equals to A. Tan 60 degrees is equal to 0, 1 by root 3, 1 and root 3. 3.7 by A is equals to root 3. A is equals to 3.7 by root 3. 3.7 by root 3 meters. That means the distance between the foot of the pole and foot of the ladder is equals to 3.7 by root 3 meters, guys. 3.7 by root 3 meters. The distance between the foot of the pole and foot of the ladder is 3.7 by root 3 meters. So I'm erasing this, guys. The place is not sufficient. So now we have to find the length of the ladder. So we have opposite and we have adjacent. So shall we go with sin theta? So we have theta, we have the value of theta is equal to 60 degrees, and we have opposite is equals to 3.7 meters, opposite by adjacent. So we need the hypotenuse, so opposite by hypotenuse is equals to L. So sin theta is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. Sin 60 degrees is equals to opposite is equal to 3.7 meters and hypotenuse is equals to L. Root 3 by 2 is equals to 3.7 by L. So we'll go with the cross multiplication. Root 3 L is equals to 3.7 into 2. and L is equals to 3.7 into 2 by root 3. 3.7 into 2 means 2 sevens are 14, 1 2 3s are 6, 7, 7.4. Length of the ladder is equals to 7.4 by root 3 meters. Guys, am I correct with the multiplication? 3.7 into 2 sevens are 14, 1 3 2s are 6, 7. Yes. Yes, guys, it's perfectly correct. So that means the length of the ladder is equals to 7.4 by root 3 meters, and the distance between the foot of the pole and foot of the ladder is equal to 3.7 by root 3 meters. So these are the two answers. These are the two answers, guys. The length of the ladder and the distance between the foot of the pole and foot of the ladder. Guys, copy it fast. We'll move to the next question. I'm giving you 2 minutes time. Come on, guys, copy it fast. Guys, come on, keep doing. Come on, guys, you have to keep doing. Come on, guys, come on, keep doing. If you are done with it, we'll move to the next question, guys. If you are done with it, we'll move to the next question. Guys, is it done? Guys, shall I move to the next question? If anyone are more to copy, so please pause the video and copy. I'm moving to the next question, guys. Guys, is it done? I'm moving to the next question. If you want, take a screenshot. Otherwise, we'll move to the next question. Guys, I'm erasing it. Guys, moving to the next question. Just a minute. Yes, guys, moving to the third question. Here the question is, an observer of 1.5 meters tall is 28.5 meters away from the chimney. The angle of elevation of top of the chimney from her eyes is 45 degrees. What is the height of the chimney? Guys, I am reading the question again. Please listen carefully. An observer of 1.5 meters tall. An observer of 1.5 meters tall is 28.5 meters away from the chimney. An observer of 1.5, the height of the observer is 1.5 meters and he is away from the chimney at 28.5 meters distance. The angle of elevation at which he is watching the top of the chimney is equals to 45 degrees. So we have to find the height of the chimney. So shall we start first with the diagram? Guys, this is the observer of 1.5 meters height. He is at a distance of 28.5 meters from the chimney. Guys, this is the chimney. Consider this as the chimney, and this is the height of the observer. So this is the chimney, guys. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the tower, top of the chimney, is equals to 45 degrees. Angle of elevation is equal to 45 degrees. The distance is equal to 28.5 meters. And we have to find the height of the chimney. We have to find the height of the chimney, guys. Okay guys, shall we start? First I'll write the given data. Height of the observer is equals to 1.5 meters. Distance between observer and chimney. Distance between the observer and chimney is equals to 28.5 meters. Distance between the observer and chimney is equals to 28.5 meters, and we'll consider angle of elevation as theta. Angle of elevation. Angle of elevation is equals to 45 degrees. Angle of elevation is equals to 45 degrees, and we have to find the height of chimney. Height of chimney should be fine, guys. We have to find the height of chimney. So shall we start doing the question? Yeah. If this is 28.5 meters, this will be also 28.5 meters, right? Guys, is it clear? If this is 28.5 meters, this will be also 28.5 meters, right? Here the chimney should be drawn straightly in this way, but for your understanding I have drawn in this way, guys. So consider this as a straight line, and if this completely we have to measure, we can take this part as x. This part is equal to 1.5 meters. It is already given. This size of the observer and here this part of the chimney can be considered as 1.5 meters. And now we have this. We have adjacent and we have to find the opposite. So is the question clear? So we start solving. A, B, C. This is the hypotenuse, A, B, C. Okay guys, first theta is size of the observer is equals to 1.5 meters. We'll consider this as A, this as B, this as C. Not this. Just a minute, sorry for the inconvenience. This as A, this as B, this as C. So AB, this, if theta is the angle 45 degrees, opposite is x and adjacent is 28.5 meters. Opposite is x and adjacent is equals to 28.5 meters. Tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. Tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent, and tan 45 degrees is equals to opposite is equals to x by adjacent is equals to 28.5 meters. Then 1 is equals to x by 28.5 meters, and x is equals to 28.5 meters, guys. X is equals to 28.5 meters. X is equal to 28.5 meters. So this is equals to 28.5 meters. Yes, this is the height of the chimney. Guys, is this wrong? Is this correct? This is the height of the chimney, 28.5 meters. Guys, this is the height of the chimney. Guys, is it correct or wrong? Absolutely wrong. Because you have not added the height of this 1.5 meters, then how can you get the height of the whole chimney? So, the height of the whole chimney is equals to, because this is the height of the observer, so we have taken as it is and we have found this height, guys, 28.5 meters. So we'll consider this middle point as O. Then OC plus, okay, we'll take this point as P then. P. CO plus OP is equals to 28.5 meters plus 1.5 meters. 28.5 plus 1 means 29.5. 29.5 plus 0.5 means 30 meters. Height of the chimney is equals to 30 meters, guys. So here the answer finally is the height of the chimney is equals to 30 meters. Height of the chimney is equals to 30 meters. Guys, is it clear? Height of the chimney is equals to 30 meters. Guys, this is it. Height of the chimney is equals to 30 meters. Height of the chimney is equals to 30 meters. Guys, copy the question fast. We'll move to the next one. Or else take a screenshot. We'll move to the next one. We'll move to the fourth question, guys. This is really interesting. Come on, guys, come on. We'll move to the fourth one. I'm trying to cover all the topics, guys, in the given questions only. I'm trying to cover each and every topic from the synopsis. Come on, guys, come on, come on. Guys, if it is done, we'll move to the next question. I'm giving you 20 seconds time. Come on, take a screenshot or pause the video and copy the solution. Or else copy the solution fast. We'll move to the next one. Guys, is it done? Shall we move to the next one? Guys, is it done? Shall we move to the next question? Guys, I am erasing it now. Guys, if you want to take a screenshot, take a screenshot. I am erasing it now. Is it done? Yes. So, moving to the fourth question. Okay, guys, now I am reading the question. Guys, listen carefully. The question is little typical. Listen the question carefully. From a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10 meters tall building is 30 degrees and the flag is hoisted at the top of the building. And the angle of elevation to the top of the flagstaff from point P is 45 degrees. Find the length of the flagstaff and the distance from the building to the point P. We have to find the length of the flagstaff and distance between the building and point P. Okay, guys, I am reading the question again. Listen it carefully. From a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation to top of 10 meters tall building. That means when we are standing at the point P, the angle of elevation to the top of the tower, top of a building which is at a height of 10 meters is 30 degrees. Now on the building which is at a height of 10 meters, a flag is hoisted on it, guys. A flag is hoisted on the building of 10 meters. Now the angle of elevation to the top of the flag is 45 degrees. Now we have to find the length of the flagstaff. We have to find the length of the flagstaff. That means if you find the total length from top of the flag to bottom of the building, you will get an x meters of length, and if you minus the length of the building, you get the answer as flag stack, length of the flag stack, and the distance of the building from point P. The distance of the building from point P you have to find. First we'll draw the diagram. Okay, consider this is the point P and this is the building. This is the flag. Okay guys, this is the flag, this is the building, and this is the point P. Now from a point P on the ground, angle of elevation to the top of 10 meters building. That means the height of the building is equals to 10 meters. The angle of elevation to the top of the tall building is 30 degrees. Is 30 degrees guys. Now angle of elevation to the top of the flag is 45 degrees. Angle of elevation to the top of the building is 30 degrees and angle of elevation to the top of the flag is equals to 45 degrees guys. This is 30 degrees and this is 45 degrees. Now we have to find this length x and this y. The distance from the start of the building to the point P. Guys, it's clear. First I'll write the given data. Height of the building. Height of the building is equals to 10 meters. Height of the building is equals to 10 meters and height of the flag, height of flag is equals to x meters and distance between building and point P is equals to y meters. Distance between the building and point P is equals to y meters, and we'll consider two angles, angle A and angle B. A to the building is equals to with 30 degrees and B to the flag is equals to 45 degrees. This is 30 degrees and this is 45 degrees. Now first I am going to solve this triangle of building. Now I am going to solve the triangle which is of building. Then so I can get the value of y, then I will go with this. Okay. First I have in this triangle, in the triangle we'll consider this point as A, this point as B, this point as we'll consider this point as C, or else just a minute, we'll make a small change in the diagram. A small change. This is the flag. Okay. A, B, C and D. We have A, B, C and D, and if we take this triangle, opposite and this is the hypotenuse, opposite and this is the adjacent guys. Opposite is equals to AD. AD is equals to opposite, that is equals to 10 meters, and AB is equals to adjacent, that is equals to y meters, opposite by adjacent, and we have the angle theta is equals to 30 degrees. So opposite and adjacent are given, theta is the angle, that means tan 30, we go with tan because opposite and adjacent are given with an angle of 30 degrees. Opposite and adjacent means we go with the formula of tan 30. I am not writing the formula guys, I am directly substituting it. Tan 30 degrees is equals to opposite 10 meters height of the building because we are taking only this part, this triangle only. So we are not including this. In the next triangle, when we take an angle of 45 degrees, that time we will include that triangle also. Okay guys, if we are taking only this angle is only till the end of the building. When we are taking this angle, the angle is completely towards the flag, because angle of elevation to the flag means the complete diagram. The angle of elevation towards only the building is 30 degrees, means only this is 30 degrees, this completely is 45 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 30 is equals to 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3. So we can go with 1 by root 3 tan y. Whereas y is equals to 10 root 3 meters. The value of y is equals to 10 root 3 meters, guys. The value of y is equals to 10 root 3 meters. That means the distance between the bottom of the building to the point P is equals to 10 root 3 meters. When we take this big triangle including the flag, this we considered as x. So same here, opposite is required, because x we can take this completely as x plus 10, and here we have the adjacent, and opposite is theta is equals to 45 degrees, and opposite is the completely AC is equals to opposite, that is equals to x plus 10, and we have AB is equals to adjacent. Adjacent is equals to 10 root 3 meters. AB is opposite, adjacent and 45. If opposite and adjacent are considered, we'll go with, what will go with? If opposite and adjacent means we'll go always with tan, because tan is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 45 degrees is equals to opposite, x plus 10 by 10 root 3, opposite by adjacent. So I'm erasing this data, guys. So I'll continue the solution here. Guys, if you want, take a screenshot. I'm erasing this data because, so I'll continue the question here. Okay guys, I'm erasing it. Tan 45 degrees is equal to x plus 10 is by 10 root 3. Tan 45 is equals to 1, and x plus 10 by 10 root 3. 10 root 3 is equals to x plus 10. 10 root 3 minus 1 minus 10 is equals to x. 10 can be taken as common. Root 3 minus 1 is equals to x. Root 3 means 10 into 1.732 minus 1 is equals to x. 10 into 0.732. Guys, is it done? 10 into 7.32. 10 into 7, okay. So then the value of x is equals to, it might be 7.32 meters, guys. Guys, am I correct? X value is equal to 7.32 meters. The value of x is equals to 7.32 meters. That means the height of the flag staff is equals to 7.32 meters. The writing of unit is really important, guys. If you miss it, you'll not get a mark for that. There is a half mark awarded for this, half or something 1 mark. That mark will be neglected here. Whereas x is equals to 7.32 meters. So we got the two answers given in the question, which is the distance between the foot of the building to the point P, that is equals to y is equal to 10 root 3 meters, and the height of the flag pedestal is equals to flag staff is equal to 7.32 meters. Okay guys, come on guys, copy this question fast. Come on guys, come on. If you are done with it, we'll move to the next one. Come on guys, come on, is it done? Come on guys, come on, keep doing. If you are done with it, we'll move to the next one, and next problem will be the last one. Guys, is it done? If you are done with it, we'll move to the next one. Guys, in some of the questions, diagrams are also given. In some of the question, diagrams are also not given. So in those questions, you have to draw your diagrams. But in some of the questions, diagrams are given, which makes you more easy while solving the question. Diagram is really important, guys. In applications of trigonometry, diagram is only important. Diagram gives you complete solution. Here these are small calculation depending upon the trigonometric formulas, but if you draw the diagram perfectly by analyzing the question, you will get the complete solution, guys. I can give you that. Drawing the diagram gives complete solution. If you know this type of small calculation like trigonometric formulas, where to use that type of things. Okay guys, I am erasing it. Come on, take a screenshot or pause the video and copy the question, or else we'll move for the next one. Guys, shall we move for the next one? Yeah, the next question is, the shadow of a tower standing on the level ground is found to be 40 meters longer when sun's altitude is 30 degrees. Then when it is 60 degrees when the height of, find the height of the tower. The fifth question is, I am again repeating the question. The shadow of the tower standing on the level ground is found to be 40 meters longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degrees, and then when it is 60 degrees, find the height of the tower. Okay, when we are standing at a particular point, here it is given, guys, when we are at a point of 30 degrees, the height, the altitude at which the shadow of the sun is 40 meters longer. Okay, when we are at a point of 30 degrees, yes, when we are at a point of 30 degrees, the altitude of the sun, that means the sun is at a longer of 40 meters. Yes, the sun is at the shadow is at a longer of 40 meters, and when we are moving to 30 degrees, they are asking to find the length of the shadow and height of the tower. Okay, that is the thing asked here. Consider this as point A. When we are standing here, this is the tower. Okay, sorry, just a minute. This is tower which is at an angle of 30 degrees, guys. Which is at an angle of 30 degrees, and this is 40 meters long. And again, while moving to the angle of 60 degrees, we have to find the length of the shadow and height of the tower. Okay guys, we have to find the length of the shadow and height of the tower. So I am marking this as A, this as B, and this as C. So this first I am taking this triangle, guys, the 30 degrees triangle I am taking. So the 30 degrees triangle will be in this type. This is 30 degrees, right? So this will be 40 plus x meters, and we have to find the height of the tower. So we have opposite and we have adjacent. So regularly we'll move with. So first I'll write the data, just a minute. Fastly I'll write. Height of the tower is equals to h meters. Length of the shadow at 30 degrees is equals to 40 meters, and in the same way at 60 degrees we have to find. At 60 degrees we have to find. So I am taking first this triangle, then tan 30 degrees is equals to opposite by adjacent. Adjacent means 40 plus x. Tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3. This is the given data, guys. Tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3. That means h by 40 plus x. 40 plus x is equals to, on cross multiplying this, 40 plus x is equals to root 3h. That means x is equals to root 3h minus 40. X is equals to root 3h minus 40. So when we go for this triangle, only this one, when we go for this triangle, the angle is 60 degrees, and here the height is h, and here this is x. Only this triangle, guys. So here same, tan 60, opposite and adjacent are given. So tan 60 degrees is equals to h by x. Just a minute. I'll continue this here. X we got, that is equal to root 3h minus 40. So the next triangle is in this way. This is equals to 60 degrees. This is h and this is x. So tan 60 degrees, opposite is given and adjacent is given, h by x. We have considered that as h by x. So tan 60 is equal to 0, 1 by root 3, 1, and root 3 is equals to, h is equals to this. So h is equals to root 3x. So this is the first equation and this is the second equation. So on solving both the equations, so here h can be written as root 3x. Yes, on substituting 1 and 2, x is equal to, h can be written as root 3x. Root 3 into root 3x minus 40. That means root 3 into root 3 whole square. That means is equals to 3. X is equals to 3x minus 40. If we get this 40 this side, minus becomes plus, and x on that side, x plus x becomes minus x. That means 3x minus x is equals to 40. 2x is equals to 40. X is equals to 20 meters. This x is equals to 20 meters. That means when we keep the value of x 20 meters here, h is equal to root 3 into 20 and h is equals to 20 root 3. That means height of this is equals to 20 root 3 meters. This x is equals to 20 meters. The whole is equals to 60 meters. Okay guys, x is equals to 20 meters and the whole height, this x value is substituted here, h is equal to root 3x. This is the first equation and second equation. One triangle I have taken this side and solved here. This is the second triangle. I am marking this as 1, this as 2. And we got the answer as 20 into root 3 meters and this is equal to 60 meters. Only this means x is equals to 20 meters. Guys, okay, is it done? This is h is equals to 20 root 3 meters. Okay. Okay guys, come on, if you want to take a screenshot, take a screenshot, otherwise copy the problem. Come on guys, come on. Okay guys, I am winding up the lecture here. That's all for the lecture guys. This is the complete chapter of application of trigonometry. I'll think which chapter should I start from tomorrow regarding this maths from NCERT. This is the last lecture of application of trigonometry. All synopsis and all the problems including all the topics are completed here. These sums are really important guys while solving the application of trigonometry. You do also from the NCERT books. That makes you really easy of doing more and more number of problems. These are the problems from the NCERT guys. That's all for the video. So I'll see which chapter we should go from the next lecture. I'll think and I'll start that new topic. That's all for the video guys. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And while doing this kind of problems, you should always try to revise the formulas of trigonometry. Okay guys, take care. Bye bye.